In this video, we listed the 5 best kettlebells that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yes for All Adjustable Kettlebell. The Yes for All Adjustable Kettlebell handle is a versatile and lightweight fitness accessory, weighing only 0.5 kilograms, designed for convenience and portability. Its adjustable design allows users to easily convert standard dumbbells into kettlebells, making it an economical choice for fitness enthusiasts who want to avoid multiple kettlebell purchases. Constructed with a high-density rubber cover, the non-slip ABS handle ensures a secure grip during workouts, whether using one or both hands. This sturdy kit can accommodate up to 100 pounds, with a secure screw-in clamp that works with both 1 and 2-inch standard weight plates not included. Ideal for a variety of exercises, the handle supports an array of movements aimed at improving strength, stamina, and coordination, making it a practical addition to any fitness routine. Number 2. KETTLE GRYP Kettlebells. The KETTLE GRYP is an innovative fitness accessory that transforms standard dumbbells into kettlebells effortlessly, making workouts more versatile and efficient. Crafted from high-impact ABS plastic, urethane foam, and stainless steel, it boasts a high-quality design that can securely hold dumbbells with a maximum handle diameter of 1.5 inches and a minimum length of 4.5 inches, accommodating weights up to 55 pounds. Its patented secure latching closure ensures safety during use, while the lightweight and portable nature of the KETTLE GRYP, weighing under 1 pound, allows for easy transport to any gym or hotel workout space. By utilizing your existing dumbbells, the KETTLE GRYP offers a cost-effective solution to enhancing your home gym experience without taking up additional storage space, enabling you to burn calories without breaking the bank. Number 3. GRYP FITNESS Kettlebells. The GRYP FITNESS Kettlebell, weighing 53 pounds and crafted from high-grade alloy steel, offers a versatile and durable option for strength training enthusiasts. Available in a wide range of sizes from 2.2 pounds to 106 pounds, these kettlebells are designed for a variety of exercises, including squats, presses, swings, cleans, and core workouts, allowing users to build both strength and explosive power. Each kettlebell features a premium textured matte finish that ensures a secure grip while protecting the bell from rust and corrosion. Ideal for home gyms, their compact design makes storage easy, and the color-coded rings at the base enhance user convenience. Designed in Denver, GRYP Fitness is dedicated to producing high-quality strength and conditioning equipment, providing a comprehensive lineup that includes not only kettlebells but also benches, barbells, dumbbells, and cardio gear. Number 4. BIONIC Body Kettlebell. The BIONIC Body 30 pounds kettlebell offers a durable and safe fitness solution, crafted from heavy-duty but soft vinyl material to minimize injuries from accidental drops. Its ergonomic design features a large handle that ensures superior grip, allowing for a range of dynamic movements and an optimal workout experience. With varying weights available, this kettlebell is ideal for customization in cross-training programs, supporting diverse exercises such as swings, squats, and deadlifts. Compact and portable, it is designed to save space in home gyms, making it easy to transport for workouts anywhere. Accompanied by a 2-year manufacturer's limited warranty, the BIONIC Body Kettlebell serves as a reliable companion for fitness enthusiasts seeking effective training equipment. Number 5. KAP Barbell Black Kettlebell. The KAP Barbell Kettlebell is a versatile and functional fitness tool weighing 34.35 pounds, designed to enhance strength training and full-body workouts. Constructed from high-quality cast iron, it features a seamless design coated with industrial enamel paint for durability and longevity. Its ergonomic wide-opening handle ensures a secure grip, whether used with 1 or 2 hands, while the flat bottom allows for safe storage and enables specific exercises like renegade rows and handstands. Ideal for a variety of movements including swings, deadlifts, and squats, this kettlebell is part of a range that offers multiple weight options from 5 to 80 pounds, catering to different fitness levels and training needs.